Would you look at me? I'm setting records. He's dropped his guard. Great. Sorry about that. Did I catch you by surprise? What do you call a Vegeta and a Goku? Vegito sounds about right. I was a little concerned about the two of us sharing a body, but it feels like it turned out pretty good. Huh.
I guess I can live with this. Those two I fought before were starting to bore me. Maybe you'll give me some real competition. Cut that out! That's much better. I needed a warm-up.